2025 Honda Accord pros and cons. What's new? No major changes expected for 2025, part of the 11th Accord generation introduced for 2023. Pros of the 2025 Honda Accord. Features aerodynamic lines and a sporty look. Available in various color options to suit different tastes. Equipped with turbocharged engines, including a hybrid with 212 horsepower. Includes a large infotainment screen supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in navigation. Offers excellent comfort for passengers, especially in the front seats, with ample storage space. Equipped with features like collision warning, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring for enhanced driver and passenger safety. Honda is renowned for its build quality and vehicles that retain their value over time. Cons of the 2025 Honda Accord. More expensive compared to competitors like the Toyota Camry and Mazda6. Notable inside the cabin, particularly at higher speeds. Rear seat passengers may find the space less comfortable, especially taller individuals. Some users report occasional lags, particularly with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Makes it less suitable for off-road driving or challenging weather conditions. Can result in less comfortable rides on uneven roads.
Carsoulprices.org